Hi, my name is Lin San, and now I'm going to work on the question number 1 of quiz 5. And so this is quiz 5. So for the question number 1 is asked to write the function write the function LTR value, LTR in parentheses, which return the value of a single element string LTR as follow. Any single letter of A through G inclusive have value of 10. Single letter of H through N inclusive has the value of 20, and yeah, so on. So then this is the sample run. So I need to create a function that will give the result similar like this. So first, I'm going to define the function. I'm going to copy this. And so next, I'm going to work on the booleans. So in the booleans, this is I'm going to create the booleans with this. So any single letter of A through G inclusive have value of 10. So if A is, so A through G is, so this is the hint. So and the letter is LTR. So it has the value of 10. So I will return the values, a single element string. So I will return the value which is 10. And I'm going to do the same thing with the second booleans, else ifs. H less than equal to LTR less than equal to N. It will return 20. And same thing, I'm going to copy this. So O to U, and it will return 30. V for Z, and it will return 40. And for the last booleans, anything else for LTR, lowercase letter, like lowercase letter, number, punctuation, has the value of 0. So else will return 0. So that is all for the boolean. And let's try to test this function now. I'm going to use the sample run. So for LTR, and I think I'm going to copy this. Okay. I cannot copy. Okay, so ADGIHL dash N Then I print LTR has value and LTR value LTR, which is the function. So yeah, I'm going to run this to see if it works or not. So yeah, this is the result. A has value of 10, so A is in range of A to G, so yeah, it return value of 10. D has value of 10, yeah, D in range of A to G, so it's have value of 10. And same thing, so because there's the space right here, so it doesn't belong to any of these booleans. It not not qualify, so it will return 0. And I, it also because it's lowercase, and dash yeah, it's not qualified because it's not an uppercase letter. And so we have L, so it's in this range, belong to this boolean. So yeah, it return the value 20. I'm going to copy this, and this is the result.